This is a short descriptive video of a Copal Model 601 day, date, clock, so no alarm. As you can see clearly here, it's working. Light has been replaced. The days were available in different languages. This is the English one, so very what should I say? It's very understandable anyway, language-wise. Even though the days in most languages sort of resemble each other. Glass has been very nicely cleaned, as you can see. It's very bright, very shiny. Have a look there. She goes. So let me just show you two turn knobs on the back. The left one, or actually, yeah, the left one seen from here will so you can set the date, push it, and then turn it left. The right one is actually turns to the right, and when you pull it, you turn. It's the time, and when you push it, you turn. You set the days. That's it, basically. It's very simple. And yeah, this is one solid part of I'd say it's aluminum. Plastics on the side, and this is the metal front is a separate part. Actually quite tricky to take it apart, but once you've done it once, essentially you know how it works. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching.